So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Roblox keep glitching in every game on the PC. So guys, to fix this glitch, lag and the crashes across all the game on your PC, so you just follow this video. First thing is guys, you optimize in graphics games. Most glitch and the frame drops happen because of the game demands more than your hardware can handle. Okay, so first of all, launch your Roblox game and press the escape button and click the option of Roblox icon. So here I'm show you how you can do it. So guys, here you check that I'm on your Roblox. So guys, you go and click the option of your icon. Okay, sorry, not the icon. This not this icon. So guys, here you go for the option of more, and you are on the settings. In the settings section, here you find the option of settings. In the settings section, guys, go to the option of device preferences. In device preferences, here you see that reduce motion. So first turn it on. It helps you to run your game smoother. And guys, here you make your transparency is 0. Okay, and always use the dark mode. So these are some things that you can check when you're facing the lag and crashing issues. Another thing is guys, update your driver. So guys, for updating your driver, first of all, right click on your my computer, then guys go for show more properties and guys go to the option of manage. Okay, in the manage section guys, here you find the option of the device manager. When you click the option of device manager, after that right click on the option of display adapter. Sorry, not the display adapter. Here you find the option of your um, graphic card. Like currently I'm using the graphic Intel Iris. So you just right click on it and guys, here you see the option of update driver. And guys, search automatically for the driver. So this is the way that you can update your driver. After that, guys, grant the administrator right. So some game needs the higher permissions to run smoothly without hanging. So guys, you try to allow your game and give the administrator permission. For this, first of all, close your game completely. Okay. After that, right click on your game. And guys, here you see the option of run as administrator. So just click it and guys run it. Okay. Then still having the issue. So guys, you try to clear your temporary files and the cache. For clearing the temporary file and the cache, you press Windows plus R and here you simply search percentage local app data. So first you write percentage. So guys, here you go for the option here percentage, then here a local, then here you go to the option of then sorry not the option local data, then again percentage. Okay, now hit enter. Now you are menu of your all the locals. So here you find your game Roblox. Here you check. Here is the Roblox. Okay, in the Roblox here after finding this you can delete the temporary files. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. So here is your locals and right click it and delete this. So these are the things guys that you can try to fix this issue. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.